Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I made a video about turning triangles or rectangles into 45-degree, and the problems with it, that you could do it inside the transformation docker. And one of my internet buddies that writes all my macros, or writes macros for us, suggested if you hold down the control button when you do it, it'll constrain it. And I've got mine set on 45 degrees, and look how quick. I'm just holding down the control button and it stops at 45 degrees. Now I think default inside of Corel is 15 degrees, but if you go to Windows, or go to, Tools, Options in Corel Draw, they're under Edit. So normally this will come up, go under Edit, and I've changed my constraint to 45 degrees. And I hit OK, and if you made it, 15 degrees wouldn't be terrible, because then you could, it would, if you held down the control button, it's going to stop at 15, 30, 45. So that's, I love the internet and I love YouTube, and because we can all learn from each other. And this is pretty cool that if you wanted to do something, just hold down the control button and move it over 3 times. Or if you want to play, the constraint I've always used for, like, if you just make a 2-point line and you want to rotate it, if you hold down the control button, it rotates in 15, it acts like it's a stop. It'll stop at 15 degrees. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.